Good morning. Sorry. Got zoomed in really far. It is, let's see what time it is. That's a little fast.
Or visit lawforinjury.com.
Can you see that? Yeah, it's a little fast though. It's like 6:50. Getting ready to go work it out. Got my gym shoes on. You know. All that fun stuff. So, that's how I'm starting my day. Coffee, gym. Keep you updated from there. Santa Buddy. This is Buddy. Santa Buddy. I'm helping babysit for a friend today. That's the dog. And this ridiculousness noise is going on back here. They're cutting down a tree. Yeah, that's fun. And then at this house over there, they're building something. I don't know. So I'm surrounded by noises. They're everywhere. Can't get away from them, and it's very loud. Really? It's just noisiness all around. I don't know. Oh, there's the pretty Christmas tree. Yay, Christmas trees. So, I think we're gonna go walk at the duck park. If you don't live in this area, you don't know what the duck park is, and you're missing out. It's pretty cool. So I think I'll go take a walk at the duck park, get my exercise in for the day, and I'm really tired, so I think I'll wake up if I go take a walk. So I'm thinking that's what we're gonna do. Okay. Alright. We're at the river. We're walking. It's beautiful. It's lovely. Taking pictures on my camera. And right now we're gonna go over here to the stage that has these ball things on it. I don't know. But it's so pretty out here. So that's what we're doing. And that's my day. This will be my exercise. Here, Casey, 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 Casey. I'm not thinking that the geese like me very much.
You're scared.
Let's see. Oh, that goose just took a poop. It was so gross.
What?
The goose just took a poop. So disgusting. These geese is fighting. They're like, oh heck no, that's my girl. Oh heck no, that's mine. You want to fight about it? Let's go. Let's rumble. Alright, we cool now. We can be friends. You got my back, I got your back. Yeah, man, I got you back. That's what they're saying to each other. You can graze on my grass any day.